Thick cut bacon works best for this method. Add your bacon to a foil-lined baking sheet. Place the bacon on the top rack. Set your oven to 400 degrees. Do not preheat the oven. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Pour yourself a cup of coffee. Check your bacon at 20 minutes. This needs about 3 more minutes. 3 minutes is up and the bacon is looking good. Immediately transfer the bacon to a plate with paper towels on it. Remove it from the paper towels after about 30 seconds. The result is crispy, tasty bacon.